In this tutorial, we'll review the daily pickup process with CurbSmart using the to-release method. The to-release method simply means that a student will be released twice, once by the inside admin and again by the outside admin, in order to be considered released from school. With this method, there are three types of release coordinators. The entry admin is the person who will enter placard numbers on her phone or tablet as parents arrive in the car line. This is typically handled by one or two people who are walking the car line. The second type of release coordinator is the inside admin. Inside admins are with the students, either in a holding area like the cafeteria or gym, or in hallways or classrooms. As placards are entered by the entry admins, student names will appear in the inside admin's view. As the students appear in the view, the inside admins are responsible for releasing the students from their location inside the school to their release location. Note that these users can have filters applied to their view so that they will only see the students that belong to their classroom, grade, etc. At the release location, you'll find the last type of release coordinator, the outside admin. Outside admins are responsible for marking the student as released from the school. These users could be stationed at the release locations, marking students as released as they get into their cars. They can also filter their view so that they only see the students they are responsible for. Outside admins are considered to be the final checkpoint for the students in the release process. Now that we've reviewed the three types of release coordinators, let's begin a typical release process. At the start of the release process, one of the users, typically the entry admin, will click the Begin Release button. This starts the timer for the release process. The entry admin will then enter placard numbers as they walk the car line. This can either be done on the Quick Entry tab, where the placard is entered and then immediately appears in the Parents Waiting in Line queue, or this can be done on the Arriving Parents tab, where the placard is entered but needs to be confirmed before the parent is considered checked in. On the Arriving Parents tab, the entry admin can review the list of approved pickups and view confirmation details like address, vehicle information, and phone number to help confirm that the correct person is authorized to pick up the students. If a parent or guardian doesn't have a placard number, then the entry admin can quickly search by the student's name using the magnifying glass icon. Once placards are entered, the parent names will appear in the Parents Waiting in Line queue, and the student's link to that placard will appear in the inside admin's view, ready to be released. If a mistake is made and the wrong placard is entered, no problem. Simply swipe or drag to the left on the parent's name and click the Remove button. This will mark the placard as not checked in and will remove the parent from the view. On the Inside Admin tab, the user will see the students' names as the placards are being entered. Students will be listed in the order that their placard was entered, with the first placards at the top and the newest placards at the bottom. This view can be filtered by grade, homeroom, pickup type, and more. In addition to seeing the student's name, the user may also see information like placard number, grade, pickup location, pickup type, and student number. Tapping or clicking on a student's row will open the parent or guardian info pop-up, which shows the approved pickups, confirmation details, and other students associated with this placard. If one of the students on the placard is absent for the day but hadn't been previously marked as absent, then the user can swipe to the left on a phone or tablet, or drag to the left on a laptop or desktop and click the Mark Absent button. This will change the student's status to absent and remove them from the inside admin view. When the student is ready to be released, simply tap the Release button, which will now move the student to the Outside Admin tab. The Outside Admin tab shows the students' names as they are released from the Inside Admin tab. Just like with the Inside Admin tab, users can click on the row to view the parent or guardian info pop-up, or swipe to the left to move the record back to the previous step in the process. The student row will also show the length of time since the parent's placard was entered, as well as the address, which can be used as another way to confirm the approved pickup. When ready, tap the Release button, which will mark the student as released from school and remove them from the view. The student will then be listed in history, along with the details of when they were released from each step and who released them. This concludes the video tutorial. Thank you for choosing Nutri-Link Technology.